see, I need to print first. It will ask for from where the number will start, so I will take 3 and till how many rows it will form the pattern, so I will give the 4. Okay, so it will form like from starting, the starting number is 3, so it will start from 3, then there will be 2 4, okay, then 5 5 5, okay, then 6 6 6 6 till 4. Okay, you can see that it starts from 3, then 2 4, then 3 5, then 4 6. So it is asking that it will start from 3 and it will go till 4. That means 4 numbers will be printed after incrementing 3, and then it will decrement 5 5 5 4 4 and then 3. So this is the pattern that the question is asking for. So you can see here the logic is, first take this one. So here you can see the numbers are increasing. First list it was 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So how many rows are there? First there is 1 row, second row, third row and fourth row. 1 2 3 4, there are 4 rows. And when the I loop is going for the first time, that is zero loop, then the j is also 0. Okay, j is 0 means when I is going 0, then j is 0. When I is going 1, then j is also going 1. You can see that first, if I will take the starting from, see, when I equals to 0, for the ith iteration, when I is 0, then j is printing one number. So you can tell j is printing 1 when I equals to 1, then j is printing 2 times when I equals to 3. I equals to 2, then j is printing 3 times. Similarly, when I equals to 3, j is printing 4 times. So you can see when the I value was 0, then j is printing 1 time. Okay, when ith value is 1, j is printing 2 times. When ith value is 3, when ith value is 2, then j is printing 3 times. When ith value is 3, then j is printing 4 times. Okay, so for this pattern, that means when I is 0, then j will print 1 time. When I will be 1, then j will print 2 times. When I will be 2, then j will print 3 times. When I will be 3, j will print 4 times. So for the first, this triangle, using this logic, we can build a program in C or in Java to perform this operation. So let me write a simple code for this. Okay, I'm using another notebook for reference. So first write the main function, that is integer main. Okay, so in main function, what we are going to do is integer, or what are the declaration, I will do it later. Okay, so first of all, scanf %d and s and n. What this will do, this will take from which number you want to start. So starting this is this, and how many numbers you want to print for the upper triangular, how many numbers till it will get increased. So n is that number. So in the program we were using 3 and 4, so it will start from 3, and it will do like this: 4 4, then 5 5 5, then 6 6 6 and 6. Okay, so for this code, what we are doing is, suppose we will do integer count equals to 0. The count variable has the value 0 and is of the integer data type. So first of all, I will start with for I equals to s, means I equals to 3. It will start from 3. So you have given here s because the s value can be changed for some other question. So I have just given the value of s. I have just put the value of s into I. The count is 0 and it will go less than 4, means it will go till 0 1 2 3. So how many times it will run? The loop will be run for count 4 times, and the 4th time the count will run from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and the 4th time ith value is what? 3. So if we will print for the next program, I will for the next code, I will help you for this. Then this is this, and count plus plus. Why count plus plus? Because the starting value is 0 and it will go till 3. So first the value of count is 0, then 1, then 2, and then 3. So it is incrementing, so the count plus plus. Then to print, this is the loop. This is only just the loop: first loop, second loop, third loop, fourth loop. And inside this loop we have to print the value. So to print the values inside a loop, we will use inner loop, an inner loop, that is j. So j will be starting from 0. J should be less than count plus 1. So the matter is, it will start from 0. So if the value of count is for the first time, the value of count is what? 0. So 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So the value of j will be 0. So are you understanding? Count plus 1, that means first time the value of count is 0. Fine. So when I am writing here count plus 1, that means the value of count plus 1 is 1 and j is less than 1. What is that? That means j should be less than 1. J should be less than 1. That means j equals to 0. So for one loop, for first loop, outer loop, there will be one j loop which will print a single number. When the I value will be 1, first it was 0, then it will be 1. So the count plus 1 will be 2. Fine. So it will go till 1. J value will be go till 1. So when the value of I is 1, j value will print the value of 0 and then 1. When it will be 2, then it will print 0 1 2. When it will be 3, then j will print 0 1 2 3. That's what this is. When the value of I is 0, then it is printing this one number, only one number. When the ith value will be 1, then it will print 2 number. Like that it will print this number. Okay, so I think you must have known the logic behind this, and the j will be incremented. Okay, then we will printf pause ampersand d and what we will print here. So we have to print the number. The starting number was what? 3. Okay, so if we will print I, then what will be printed? Then printing will be 3, then 3 3, then 3 3 3, then 3 3 3 3. But we don't want to print the same 3 all over again. So when the first time this is 3, we will increment the ith value, so again it will be 4. So 4 will be printed 2 times, then again it will be incremented. So as to increase the value of I, what we will be do? I equals to I plus 1. Fine. And here you can also write printf /n for new line character. Okay. So this is for the upper matrix that we have formed. Now for the lower matrix. For the lower matrix, what we need is 5, 5, 5, 4, 4 and 3. So we need is 5. How will we be getting 5? So if the starting vertex which is starting for I equals to S means what? 3. 3 plus 4 equals to what? 7. And if we will subtract 7 by 2, then we will getting 5. So the value will be 5. So it will be easy to print I when it will be needed. So I will just give S plus N minus 2. So the value of I will be 5. And the count is greater than 0. Count is greater than 0 means what? First it will be 3, then first it will be what? 3, then 2, then 1. Fine. Count is greater than 0. That means what will be the first count? The first count will be see here. The first time the count value was 0. Okay. Then it went 1, 2. Then 0, 1, 2. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here 0, 1, 2. The count value is 0, 1, 2. Why? Because the highest value of count is here 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. Till 3 it is going. And if we will say that, see, the count value is 0, 1, 2, 3. Maximum it is 3. So we are saying greater than 0. Greater than 0, then how much it will take? Greater than 0, that means it will take 1, it will take 2, it will take 3. These 3 numbers it will take. And since we are telling that count is greater than 0, so first it will take 3, then 2, then 1. Okay. So when it is 3, 2, 1. Fine. So now doing the program, count minus minus. Fine. Then J loop. For j equals to 0, j should be less than what? Whatever the count is, the count value will be 3, but we are printing till 2. So count minus 1. Count minus 1. Then what? Count. Sorry, j plus plus. Why j plus plus? Because the value was 0. It will go till count minus 1. That means it will go till 3. It will go till 3. And if it will go till 3, then no, it will not go till 3 because count minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Is it? Is it the way that it will go? No, the value of count was this 0 1 2 3. Fine. So first time I will be 5 and it will go more than 0, that means 3 2 1. These are things, and there will means 3 loops, first, second and third. This 3 loops. Okay, and here I have to print 3 times, so it will j equals to 0. J should be less than count minus 1. That means 3 minus 1 equals to 2, so it will print 0 1 2. Understood? So this is the logic. J plus plus. Then printf, what we will be going to print? We will be going to print the value of I. Since the value of I is 5, so we will print I. But see, if I will print I, then it will print like this: 5 5 5, then 5 5, then 5. So we don't want to print the same 5 because we want to decrement the value of I for the next time. So what we will do? We will do I equals to I minus 1. Here it was incrementing and here it is decrementing. But in between, we have to take a new line character for the next line printing. So the output will be the same, this. I am writing here. First it will print 3, then 4 4, 5 5 5, 6 6 6 6, 5 5 5 5, 4 4 and 3. So you can see like that. First we have done till this, and then we have done this. Fine, thank you.